Today we're going to talk about how to prep your car for an extended road trip. It's always good to start sooner rather than later. Here's what you'll want to check for. First, you'll need a fresh oil change. Next, make sure the coolant or antifreeze is topped off at the correct level. Check the hoses and look for any leaks. Inspect the brakes. Don't forget to check the parking mechanism too. Make sure nothing is worn, loose, or corroded. Check rubber bushings for cracks and tears. Tires should have plenty of tread, and if the tires haven't been aligned in a year or more, have that checked along with the tire pressure. Be sure to check your spare and emergency jack lift too, confirming both are present and working. Check the exhaust system for leaks or cracks. Have the battery and alternator tested for free at your local AutoZone. Be prepared for emergencies by stocking your car with a roadside safety kit, a battery jump starter, and a tire inflator. You can always have a professional give your car a look over if you would appreciate the extra peace of mind. Check out more helpful how-tos on our YouTube channel and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.